Welcome, everyone. Today, let's talk about something that touches all of our lives: distance in relationships. It's easy to feel disconnected when our loved ones are far away. But remember, loving hearts always find a way to stay close. Distance isn't just a challenge, it's an opportunity for growth. When we can't see each other every day, we learn to cherish those moments we do share. A simple message, a thoughtful gesture, or a heartfelt call can bridge the gap and remind us of our love. This time apart teaches us patience and deepens our appreciation for one another. Distance can test our relationships, but it also reveals their strength. It encourages us to reflect on what truly matters and helps us cultivate a deeper connection, no matter the miles between us. So, embrace the lessons distance brings, and let it strengthen your bond. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, consider following for more insights.
Hey there, and welcome back. Today, let's talk about something that many of us experience: distance in relationships. It's easy to feel disconnected when miles separate us from our loved ones. But here's the beautiful truth: even when our bodies are apart, true love knows no boundaries. Think about it: every text, every call, and every shared memory can bridge that gap. It's in those moments of laughter and vulnerability that our hearts remain intertwined, regardless of the physical distance. Love is not just about being together. It's about the connection we nurture, the trust we build, and the support we offer, even from afar. So, if you're feeling the weight of distance, remember that your love can transcend any miles. Embrace the little things that keep you close, and cherish the bond that distance can never diminish. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow or subscribe for more uplifting content. Take care.